What's up, Yon World? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we're talking about melatonin, how to open your third eye with melatonin. Now, a lot of people want to know how to open their third eye. I get this question a lot, like even from white people, man. Because black people, we got powers, and I'm gonna teach y'all a little trick. You know what I'm saying? You take it how you want to. I don't give a fuck. But you know, a white guy came up to me and he asked me like what the fuck? He's like, what does it mean? On the Migos song, he like, getting money, channel vision through my third eye. Like, what does that mean? He's like, what does that mean and shit? Nigga must have saw a Black Panther or some shit. So, I just told him like, black people got superpowers, man. Like we got third eyes and like we can dream. We see in color and shit. You know what I'm saying? So, blew the nigga mind. You know what I'm saying? But it ain't something. I told him there's also something that we don't normally talk about, and that's why I want to talk about. How to open your third eye because, you know, it's a lot of videos out there, but I want to give y'all some practical information now. I've been taking this supplement. It's called melatonin, right? And what melatonin is, well, first you gotta know that the third eye it's a pine cone shape, right? It's a pine cone shape in the center of our forehead, right? Center of our brain. And you know what I'm saying? It's activated by the light. It increases in the darkness. Most active during the nighttime. We gotta know that this pineal gland is surrounded by liquid, right? And that water is what you want to purify. That water is what you want to tap into, to activate your third eye. And with that water, that juice it produces that's around the third eye, it's called melatonin. Now, you can look it up, your damn self. But they got pills. Now they have pills for this shit. And when you look at melatonin and you go into like the science behind it, like the molecular structure of this shit, you will see it's real similar to a psychedelic, you know what I'm saying, called LSD. And I mean, y'all can look up if you never did LSD. I haven't. I never did acid, none of that shit. But if you look up documentaries and what people say they experience, like even healing documentaries of what people say they experience off that, you understand that it shows you another dimension. You know what I'm saying? And you watching this video to access, another part of yourself. Really, that's all you really trying to do is you're just trying to access something that you know is there, and your third eye can help you. But I was saying the melatonin is close to the LSD because it's the closest thing on the market we can get this legal. You know what I'm saying? And I recommend melatonin again. Even if you have problems sleeping or you dealing with anxiety, shit like that, melatonin help with that because it deals with the rhythms of the body. It deals with the heart rate, it deals with the growth, it deals with those hormones because that's all associated with the pineal gland. And when you take melatonin, it's kind of like it's like drinking some purified water. You know what I'm saying? It's different than tap water. When you really drink water, you know it did. The taste. You can just taste certain shit. So, but what I'm saying with the melatonin is that shit for your third eye. That's the most potent shit you can do, and it help you dream better. Now, take 20 grams, take 20 milligrams of that shit and go to sleep. And you tell me if you don't have a dream. Because what it does is it gives you so much purified juice it just get activated more. You know what I'm saying? You know, you can get high of melatonin, man. And then it calms you. Like I said, it helps with the systems that regulate, you know, your heart rate, your blood flow, your hair growth, you know, your sex drive, you know, all of that. All of those systems, that's what melatonin regulates. That's what the pineal gland regulates. And when we go back to the beginning, you know, ancient Egypt, uh, have I ever showed y'all my tattoo? Y'all never saw it? You ever seen my tattoo? The first shall be last. But when we go back to the ancient times, and like even like as recent as Black Panther, the movie, right, where they was you see them going to this astral world, and damn, you like, damn, black people. And if you talk to black people, like, people have had dreams, you know what I'm saying, and people have experienced sleep paralysis. That's how you know you experienced the dream world. Um, you know, a lot of people may not remember their dreams due to the day-to-day rut of shit, and you know, just thinking that it's nothing. But ask somebody, like, have they ever experienced like sleep paralysis and you woke up and you felt like it was something behind you, or you know, as your grandma used to say, the ghost riding your back or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? It's all type of southern, but what y'all gotta understand is black people, we just have a different vehicle. Like